Hello ATS 113 students, this is Dr. John Schrage, and I'm here to help you with the readings for the second lecture associated with the severe weather unit in ATS 113. We're going to be starting here on page 333 in the 5th edition of the textbook. Make sure that you understand the differences between air mass and severe thunderstorms. We're actually going to be spending quite a bit of time on the stuff that's on pages 334 and 335 about the life cycle of an air mass thunderstorm weather, stuff like the cumulus stage, the mature stage, and the dissipative stage. And you want to be watching for the words like entrainment. And if you don't see that word, look it up in the index because I think it might actually be on a separate page from this. Also, you're going to need to know more about severe thunderstorms. In particular, we're going to be talking about different kinds like mesoscale convective complexes and squall lines. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. Don't worry too much about the part about mesoscale convective complexes and mesoscale convective systems. We'll have other things in class to talk about. We will, though, be talking about stuff like squall lines, like what you're seeing on pages 337. On pages 338 and 339, I really like these diagrams that show, for example, a cross-section through different kinds of thunderstorms. When you hit the part on page 340 and 341 that's labeled downbursts, derechos, and microbursts, we're actually going to be talking about that on the last lecture of this unit. I'd go ahead and read it right now, but you don't absolutely have to. That's why I marked it here as crossed off. But you do want to jump ahead and make sure that you read the parts about geographic and temporal distribution of thunderstorms. Okay, then you hit this page that's about Doppler radar. We're actually going to talk quite a bit about radar in class, but it's going to be conventional radar. This is the only material that we're going to see about Doppler radar, and you do need to read this because this will be material that I probably will not have time to talk about in class. So let me know if you have any questions about this stuff. Again, as we hit like page 345, most of this material is actually stuff we're not going to be worrying too much about. Just make sure you understand about the geographic distribution of thunderstorms. And then just keep reading until you hit the part about tornadoes and stop for there because that will be the next lecture. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know.